Why are we doing this?
All right, bye.
I hear screaming in the distance. What are we doing?
I'm ready to go. Let's go.
I think we gotta try, Hannah.
No.
There's more screaming.
Why the heck are we doing this again?
I am asking myself the same question right now.
Oh, someone just screamed.
Oh, there's a guy right here. Oh. Okay, no, I'm good. I'm good right here. We'll go a little faster around this corner. Whoa.
Slow, it's just slow. Please slow down.
Oh, okay, please slow down. Okay, this is not good. This is not good, Hannah.
Going into a creepy tunnel. That's not
yeah.
scary at all. No, because there's definitely not going to be someone there.
Good evening from Rocky Top Mountain Coaster in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. It's Ryan.
And Hannah. And we're about to hop on the Rocky Top Mountain Coaster at night, October 1st, when there's these creepy guys out. So yeah, or you are.
And we are currently mustering up the courage to hop on the mountain coaster, which is not a normal mountain coaster right now, as it's past 8 o'clock and there are scare actors along the mountain coaster track. I have actually never been on this mountain coaster, so I have that fear that I'm dealing with, and somebody's gonna randomly jump out and scare us. So we're dealing with two fear factors right now. So let's actually head over and chat with one of the managers real quick to find out more about this event. So before we hop on, I have Sherry here, is one of the managers at Rocky Top and has a friend with you.
And his name is Munch.
Oh.
He's a new addition for this year.
So tell us about what happens here after 8 o'clock on Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays.
So tonight we start off October 1st for our haunt coaster, starting at 8 o'clock at night. So we have live actors and animatronics throughout the ride when you ride. So you get to experience, you don't know where they're gonna come out and scare you, and you don't know what animatronics gonna be playing, and then you got the fog, so it's you gotta look kind of left to right to see everything happening. Now on the weekend, on Friday and Saturday, we do stay open until midnight. And then on Fridays and Saturdays, we have live entertainment. So we have our local high school dance teams from 2 schools that come and perform, and then we have Michael Jackson, the Flash Mob Zombies come and perform as well.
How long is the coaster from the time I take off?
It's a 9.5-minute ride from the time you leave the station, the start station, to the end.
I can use the brakes and go slow and be scared more, or just let it rip and try to get past it as fast as I can.
Correct. You go up to 30 miles per hour, so you're in control of your own speed on that.
All right, Hannah, I think we can't delay any longer. Are you ready to get on? She doesn't want to have to go past this guy.
I want to scare him.
All right, after you. Okay, I'm going. Which row? Where did she go? I can't see. All right, we're going.
Why are we doing this again?
He's following me, Hannah. Hannah. Oh no. What have I done? Following us through these cornrows. So we are getting ready to load up on the mountain coaster.
Together.
We have a sumo wrestler getting us all set up to go. I can control the speed of the brakes.
Why the heck are we doing this again?
I am asking myself the same question right now.
It's raining.
Oh, I think we are getting a little bit of sprinkles at the moment.
Okay, now I'm going to be aware of everywhere I look, behind me, beside me, like everywhere under me, because I do not want to be scared, and I hate being scared.
I feel like there's going to be somebody over in the bushes over here.
Ah! Boo!
Is that somebody up ahead on the right? Maybe not a real person, but there's a guy right here.
It's gonna get me off guard because it's probably a real person.
No, it's not. It's not a real person.
Spooky.
All right, we're good. We are working our way up to the top. Yeah, Hannah, what were you thinking? Oh, somebody's screaming off in the distance.
Be aware of spiders.
You can lean back if you need to. Oh boy.
Yeah, there's someone just screamed.
Oh, there's a guy right here. Hannah. Oh. Okay, that's just an animatronic. I can handle that. All right,
Come on, we're going fast.
All right. Oh, I don't want to go too fast. I don't know this track. Oh, we got some skeletons over in the pond here.
If there's someone on here.
All right, we'll go a little fast around this corner. Whoa.
Slow, it says slow, please slow down.
Oh, okay, please slow down. Okay, this is not good. This is not good, Hannah.
Going into a creepy tunnel, that's not scary at all. No, because there's definitely not gonna be someone there.
Okay, there's some guys. Oh,
I saw you.
She got me. Watch the tunnel. Some creepy clowns over here to the left.
Now you don't know if they're real or not.
Those look like figures.
That's what they're trying to get you to think. I already don't like it.
Oh, I can't see very well.
I
Going
can't
up.
see either. Did I scream really loud?
And I think we're getting a little more rain. Kind of want to warn the people headed to the tunnel.
No.
She's on the other side of the tunnel. Oh wait, he's already been through the tunnel. That info was useless. Oh, there's a guy right here. I didn't even
Did
pay
you not
attention.
see that?
No, I didn't see him.
That is creepy.
Yeah, there is a creepy skeleton thing, and it is definitely starting to rain pretty good now.
Get ready and go.
Oh boy.
That is creepy.
Oh, this is... Lights are back on. Here we go. Oh. Is that a real person?
No.
I don't know. No, not a
No.
real person. We're good.
There's one taking a photo.
Oh. Definitely raining.
Are we gonna go faster? Slow. Oh, not another tunnel. There's
not
gonna
another
There's
tunnel.
gonna either be someone on the left or the right.
At least the tunnel gives us a break from the rain. But
Ready?
I'm gonna guess to the right of the tunnel. What
I'm
do you think,
gonna
Hannah?
scare this person.
Over to the right or to the left?
Boo!
I don't know.
Never mind. That's what they're trying to get you to think. They're trying.
Oh, got some kind of big skeleton guy over here to the right. Some creatures down here in the pond as we work our way up
Does
to the next section. I see a tunnel up ahead. European bears. Oh, there was a guy behind the bear shed.
That wasn't even scary. Nice try, folks. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, that one wasn't as bad as the tunnel girl. Watch the tunnels.
Watch yourself.
Oh, okay, we made it. I'm like trying to look at this little tiny screen and also my surroundings. It's actually quite difficult. Okay, there's definitely somebody around here. I feel like there's gonna be somebody in the barn, Hannah.
Yeah, there's gonna be somebody there and they're gonna try to scare you.
Yeah. Oh, the light's coming on in the barn.
Boo!
This is a good thing for us.
Boo!
Oh, there was a guy in the barn. I knew it.
Okay, get ready to go full speed.
You want me to go full speed?
Yes.
Okay. Putting the throttle down, you're able to control your speed on this coaster. So we're gonna go a little bit faster. Get out of here, Hannah.
Aren't you going faster?
I'm reasonably going fast. I want to go crazy fast. No, get your hand off the throttle. I saw that.
Where is it?
No, hand off the throttle. All hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. She's pulling on the throttle, Hannah.
Go faster.
Okay, I'm going.
This is slow
Very
as I-
good. Fast. Not crazy fast. We're good. We're getting away from all the creepy dudes.
Come on, this part is fun.
Around
Go
the
faster.
last little spin around here. Hopefully the last one.
No, there's still like several more.
There's 3 more?
Yep. See, we're going slow. Even she's behind us.
Oh. Oh. Okay, no, I'm good. I'm good right here.
I literally saw you 5 minutes ago.
No, we're good. Go faster. Must go faster. Okay. That was a creepy guy.
Not as creepy as the girl in the tunnel.
I have never been on this mountain coaster. There's a lot more track back here than I realized.
Oh, there she is.
Oh, there she is. That's the tunnel girl.
Hi, friend.
Oh, I don't like the tunnel girl. All right, do you see anybody? Are you looking out? Because I'm looking at this little 2-inch screen here. I can't always see my surroundings
There's
very
no
good.
one there.
Are we in the clear? Are we good? Are we home free yet?
No, we're still going through another tunnel.
We have another tunnel?
Yep.
What? How many tunnels does this place have?
I don't know. Like 5.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh, tunnel. Oh boy.
Wait, go fast. You can go fast on this one.
Okay. I think we're at the end part. Okay, I can see our car. That's great news. Great news, Hannah. We're almost there.
Freedom!
Oh. I've always wanted to do this. I see people doing it. Now I get to do it. Whoa, okay, you're touching. Hannah, get your hand off the handle. Hannah, you're pulling. Okay, she was full on messing with the throttle there.
Slow, it says slow. It says
okay,
slow.
fine, go.
Slow.
Oh no, now it says slow. Slow, go, make up your mind.
No, it says slow.
We've made it. Oh, so good to be back.
Good?
Hannah, what'd you think of the coaster?
It was interesting. I only got scared probably twice. The creepy lady and the
Creepy tunnel lady, for sure.
and the guy that was down here.
The guy with the shovel. That guy is kind of creepy. He'll follow you around in the line. So we're here on opening night. It's Tuesday the 1st. This will get busy on Friday and Saturdays especially, but again, they have later hours. So if you are looking for something a little more scary to do this October, you can hop on the Rocky Top Mountain Coasters at 8 o'clock on Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays. And before that though, it is completely no scares. You can just still come and enjoy the coaster. But I think we need to go grab some food. Let us know if you've ever done this or you plan to do this. Thanks so much, Rocky Top Mountain Coaster, for inviting us out to be terrified on your coaster, both of the speed of Hannah grabbing the throttle and random people jumping out. So that was fun.
I don't want me scared. Okay, bye.
If you made it this far in the video, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next adventure. Found a sensor? There's a sensor, maybe, when you walk by it. How do we get them? Oh. Hannah found the sensor. Hannah, somebody wanted to say goodbye. Here he comes, Hannah.